So you try to click on the attachment in the email and you see this error message. Just know that these forms cannot be directly opened in Gmail and cannot be opened at all on your cell phone. So what you need to do is you need to click on this button and download it first. So when you click on the download button, it will show up here, and then you need to open the folder it got downloaded in. So this is the PDF form that you just downloaded. Right click on this and open it with Adobe Acrobat Reader. Now I'll tell you what to do if you do not have an Adobe Acrobat Reader, but let's assume you have it, and let's go to the next step now. If you have Adobe Acrobat Reader, then the form will open immediately. You can start filling out the form, save it, and send it back to us. Now what to do if you do not have Adobe Acrobat Reader? It's very straightforward. Go on Google, look for Adobe Acrobat Reader, and click on this link. And when you click on this, you will see this page. So you need to click on this button to download Adobe Acrobat Reader and just follow the steps. If you already have it, but you can't find it anywhere, then it will tell you that you already have it. But if you don't, then go ahead and download it and follow the first step that I asked you to. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.